Welcome to IPGeolocation.io, where we process terabytes of internet traffic to accurately geolocate the IP addresses. In this quick tutorial, we will walk through the process of creating an account at IPGeolocation.io and making your first API call. Let's head over to the sign up page. You can sign up using Google, GitHub, or email. If you choose Google or GitHub and you're already logged in, it's one step process. Just click the button, authorize access, and you'll land straight on your dashboard. We'll sign up using email for this tutorial. Just provide your full name, email, and password. Make sure to check the terms of service and privacy policy, verify captcha, and click sign up. Congratulations, your sign up step is successful. We'll send an account verification email within a minute. If you do not get it in time, check your spam folder. Otherwise, reach out to our support team at ipgeolocation.io/contact, or you can email us at support@ipgeolocation.io. Just click the button verify email address in this email. If the button doesn't work, copy the URL from the email and paste it in your browser. Boom, your account has been verified. Now log in with your credentials. Here you have been landed on the dashboard of IPGeolocation.io account. Now that your account is set up and you have your API key, let's make our first API call. Copy the curl command below this tutorial and paste in your terminal. Replace your API key copied from dashboard and hit enter. Here you get the complete response with detailed location data, country flag, currency code, currency name, currency symbol, ASN details, time zone details, and lots of other data for the queried IP address. Same we can get in the JavaScript code as well. Copy the JS code snippet below, open your browser, press F12, click the console tab and paste the code. Replace your API key and hit enter. Here you go. This IP address is located in Mountain View, country is United States, and time zone is America, Los Angeles. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or visit our documentation at ipgeolocation.io. Don't forget to like and subscribe.